In this lesson, we want to explain watermark effect. With this effect, you can easily put your favorite logo on your photos. Select effect. Here you can choose your logo from your hard drive. For example, we select the snagit logo. And by clicking and dragging in the position section, specify its location on the photo, as you can see. Or change its scale. There are two ways to display the logo. Underlay mode, which you can see now by turning the emboss effect on or off, as you can see. And changing its depth, and to change the direction of the light, which simulates 3D mode. In the direction section, do this by changing the direction of these arrows. The next mode is overlay, which displays exactly the logo itself without changing. And if you want this effect to be applied, click apply button.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.